Did you know Japan has a ghost that only appears where she barely fits? They call her Sukima-Onna, the woman in the gaps. She doesn't come from shadows. She comes from the empty spaces around you. The crack in your door, the gap under your bed, the sliver of darkness behind your wardrobe. They say she appears only when she knows you're alone. At first, you might feel it, a soft pressure, like someone watching you through a tiny opening. And if you ever look through that crack and see her eye looking back, she whispers one thing: "I found you." Witnesses say her body is impossibly thin, bones bending, skin stretching, sliding through tight spaces like liquid fear. One woman swears she saw her peering from her wardrobe gap. The next morning, the gap was wider, as if something forced its way through. So tonight, before you turn off the lights, check every crack in your room. Because if Sukima-Onna is already watching, she only needs a whisper to step through.